Impala, a powerful surprise. Camaro, a comfortable surprise. Chevelle, a roomy surprise. With Impala, you know you're getting a beautiful car and a Chevy smooth ride. But you're surprised at how silent Impala rides. How much power the 307 cubic inch standard V8 delivers when you need it.
That's Impala, a powerful surprise.
Sure, you expected your Camaro, the hugger, to be sporty and agile. But you never thought Camaro would feel and act like a much bigger car. Independent coil spring front suspension, Camaro's wide stance, wider tread, a redesigned suspension. Give it a big car road-hugging ride.
The hugger's a comfortable surprise.
They picked the new 1968 Chevelle sports sedan for its smart Chevrolet styling and quick-size maneuverability. The big surprise? How this Chevelle's new longer wheelbase gives big car roominess.
Chevelle, a roomy surprise. Ba, 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 ba.
You can see and drive all the surprising Chevrolets at your Chevrolet dealers.